Today I want to show you how to make rainfall frequency analysis with using HEC SSP software. First we need to arrange our data using HEC DSS. It's opening. Okay, so we create a new project. Okay, let's make it an ID here. Let's say Jetta. Okay, then we import our data, time series data. Okay, so actually, yeah, it's J134 that I want to import. Say open, then choose this column, and then say import. So we'll name it Jetta, and the substation is J134. Data is per 1 year. Okay, start date. It must be the one date in advance of the date you want, but it doesn't matter. You can say 01 and the 02 January 1970. It will start by January 1 of that year. Units millimeter per cumulative. This one is you can say any that doesn't matter. Yeah. So this is it. Now we can just save it. Save it, yes. This is our data. Now we go to the HEC SSP software and we create a new project. Jeddah, our area, our directory. You can choose your directory. For me, let me choose the same project. And open. Okay. Let me choose it. Yeah, project. Then SI units. Say okay. Now we can import our data from using traditional imports from HEC DSS. I think it's Jeddah. Our substation is J134, and we can import using this button and go to this its directory. Yeah, under local D project we choose yes Jeddah DSS. Open. So we say import it. It will be imported. Yeah, now you can say import. Yeah, imported now. You can see the plot even if you want. Plot, yeah, like this. So it's important now. We come to the distribution fitting. Since we need rainfall frequency analysis, we say new. We write our Jeddah and yeah, this one. Yeah, this is it. Our data is precipitation. We come to analysis, and you choose filter using parameters or filter using display all distributions. You can see all distribution at once if you want, by just checking this one, fitting the distribution like this, or you choose by filtering. And also you can choose the distribution methods like product moments, L moments, maximum likelihood, and see the results. For example, I need maximum likelihood, and also you can choose the goodness of fitting test. Okay, you can see the reports here. For example, when we choose this one, it shows us the KS test, like 0 0.125, 0 0.08 for this one, and we can choose even, I think, from this section. No. Yeah, yeah, we can choose a distribution to see in our results. For example, these are the selected distribution for myself. I don't need this one because I'm dealing with the extreme rainfall. I can remove those things, and then just choose this one. It will show me the statistics for this one. Oh, also, yeah, you can choose these distributions. Say okay, and so this is how we can see it. Okay, we can also just remove the exponential because it doesn't. Gamma we don't need. Okay, yeah. So since I'm dealing with the extreme rainfall, I can choose this one. We can see the graph as PDF, as PP plot, as CDF also like this, and we can show the confidence like this also. It will calculate since we choose the generalized extreme value, and also we can show the extreme expected probability, and also you can choose this distribution to see the results. Now it's in green. We can come here and export it to Excel. For example, if you want to see the result in Excel, you just copy this one, come to Excel like this, but this one is in probability, percentage of probability. If you want to see in return product, you just make equals 200 divided by this one. So we just make it like this. Sorry, alhamdulillah. Oh, now this one is the median, I think. Let me check it. Yeah, this is the median in millimeters. This is expected probability. Expected probability. This one is the 95% confidence level. And this one is 5%. So since we need the in an ordered pair, we can make this one. Okay, let me see the graph first. Yeah, we can take this graph also here. Okay, sorry. Like this. This is with percentage. I can order this one by data, maybe sort by this one from smallest to largest. Yeah, this is it. We can just remove this part since we need from 2 like this. Don't include any negatives. Yeah, this is it now.